So we're going to use the Effector out to connect or to hook up this kind of equalizer. Okay. Okay, guys, good day to everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to hook up this type of stereo graphic equalizer to a karaoke amplifier. So this brand is both Martin okay, Martin Roland. This equalizer have 15 bands per channel. So we have channel 1 and we have channel 2. Okay, so this is our equalizer. So let's check at the back the connector, the connections. Okay, so this equalizer has one input and one output. Okay, so we have here this side, it is channel 2 inputs, and this is for output. Okay, input and output. So in this video, I'm going to connect this equalizer to this karaoke amplifier using the Effector terminal. Okay, so this terminal. Okay, Effector terminal. This amplifier has a speaker terminal for XLR, and we have here the regular connector. We have left channel and right channel. Okay, so this side, these are the inputs. We have here output for audio recording. We have here input input A and input B. So this amplifier has two input, A and B. Okay, so this is the effector. This is the terminal that are we going to use to connect the equalizer. Okay, so by the way guys, if you're not using equalizer, this jumper, you should not remove this one. It has two, because if you remove this and you don't have a connection here, there is no sound with your speakers. Okay guys, so this is the connection. So for this equalizer to amplifier, I'm going to use regular RCA. I need 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 pieces of 2x2 RCA. Okay, and in the equalizer, as you can see, there is no RCA output. So what we're going to do, you have to standby 4 RCA to TRS. Okay, this type. Okay, this type of adapter. Okay, so let's connect first the channel 1. Okay, so this is the channel output. I'm going to plug this one to output. Okay, and one for input. So guys, this is for the channel 1. Okay, so this is my first set of RCA cable. Okay, this one. So insert the RCA to the TRS or RCA to RS, then connect these to Effector okay, to channel 1 I'm going to use left channel. Okay, left channel, this one. Okay, so the output, I connect the red RCA. Okay, red RCA. So output, I'm going to insert this one to input. Okay, this is the in. Okay, I'm going to use this one, the right channel. Okay, and the output going to return to equalizer input. Okay, this is the output going to the equalizer. Okay guys, so this is the connection for channel 1 to right channel of the effector of amplifier. So output goes to in, then the out of amplifier goes to in of equalizer. Okay, let's do the second connection. Okay, so this is a channel 2 output, going to use the TRCA to TRS adapter, and going to use red color for output. Okay, then this one is goes to in. Okay, then the white RCA I connect to output, then the other end it goes to input of equalizer. Okay guys, so let's review the channel 2 connection. Channel 2 output red goes to left channel input, then the output, the white RCA, goes to input of the equalizer. Okay, so this is the connection of your equalizer using effector in out terminal. Okay, so some amplifier instead of using effector, they use EQ in out or equalizer in out. So it's the same connection. Okay, let's try, and I'm going to connect a speaker. For speaker, you can use this right and left XLR output, but in this video I'm just going to use this terminal. I'm going to use a speaker. Okay, this one, as you can see, this amplifier, there's a label at the bottom which is a speaker 4 to 8 ohms. So meaning the recommended impedance of the speakers minimum is 4 ohms. Don't connect below 4 ohms, it's not recommended. Okay, going to use this one. Okay. This is my left speaker, so I can connect up in this terminal up to four speakers. Okay, and this one is for my right. Okay, this is this one. Okay, right. Okay, so I'm done with the connection to the amplifier. For your DVD player or any sources that you want to connect to the amplifier, it goes direct to the amplifier. We have two inputs on this amplifier, which is input A and input B. So you have two players. Okay. Yeah. So in this demo, I'm going to use one pair of martinroland loudspeaker with a 450 watts maximum power. Okay, let's connect the speaker. Okay, so just follow the polarity. The red wire is my positive, and the black wire, the black terminal is the negative. So okay, so I'm done with the speaker connection. Okay, so this is my setup: equalizer, amplifier, and one pair of martinroland speaker. Okay, so let's do some audio testing. Okay, turn on your no power. Okay. Okay, let's insert. Okay, so it's reading. See, this is the music master volume. This is for microphone. Then this amplifier has a digital signal processor or something like equalizer. Okay, so it's playing, but I didn't have a sound. Okay, so in this amplifier there are selector on this side, input A or B. So if you push this one, it goes to input B. So input A, like this. Okay, then this one is the selector function. If you're using MP3, this one you have to press then A and B, up, or inputs, MP3. So okay, so this one is the music control. Balance, we have low, mid, and high. Okay. Okay, so before you turn on the equalizer, I suggest you put first to middle or 0 dB to avoid over signals. So just set this one first to 0 in the middle. Okay, let's turn on. Okay, so this is a control for channel A, and this one is for channel B. Okay, let's turn on the volume. Alright, it's working. Turn off. So meaning this amplifier, if you use the effector in and out, if you don't use equalizer, you have to use the jumper. Okay, if you don't use this jumper, there is no sound, so you have to use. But if you use the equalizer, you must turn on the EQ. Okay. Okay. Check next song. Okay, this is the master volume. Okay. Okay, this is the music volume. Low, mid, high. You can adjust here. Okay. Yeah. Equalizer, there is low cut, in and out. If you set to out, it bypass. So you have to turn on. This is the turn on. This is the indicator. Indicator for if you're using the EQ. Okay. Same with the channel number 2. Okay. So this is the gain control. And adjust also. Right channel. Minimum. Okay. Channel 1. Let's adjust the channel 1 equalizer. So this one is the low frequency and it's high frequency. So this side is for treble, tweeter. This side is for bass. Okay. For example, from the middle is 0, which is plus 3, plus 6 is plus 12. Minus 3, minus 6, minus 12.